How to check Instagram last seen if hidden. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to check Instagram last seen if hidden. So to do that now, after you open up your Instagram app like this now, go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this menu at the top right side. This menu. After you open this menu, now tap on this as you can see now, settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way to down, and tap on this as you can see now, messages and story replies. Messages and story replies, tap on it. Scroll to down and tap on it. Here is it. After you tap on it, now open this section. As you can see here, it says show activity status, tap on it. So make sure you turn on this option. As you can see now, make sure you turn on this option. Make sure you turn it on like this. After you turn it on like this, now tap on this back arrow, back again. So now as you can see now, tap on this home. After you come to this home, now tap on this message section at the top. Message section, tap on it. After you open this message section, as you can see now you can be able to see who is online on Instagram. As you can see here, it says active 30 minutes ago, active as you can see now 1 hour ago, active yesterday. But you cannot be able to see when someone hide his last seen on Instagram. For now, there is no any official button to see his last seen if he hide his last seen on Instagram. If I scroll to down, as you can see now, some people, if they had their last seen, as you can see now, I can't be able now to see when this person left online because they all hide their last seen on Instagram. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.